nails because we are going to put some whimsical fruit slice in it, and then Diamond Dust Pixie, some fur sticking on it. Yeah, okay, good. If I have one nails and out here, I'm gonna do the white bottle for you. All right, so next we are going to using a no wipe top coat. The purpose of it to the condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat, we help grab the base of crystals. And we're gonna using maybe kiwi looks good. Should we do kiwi though? I don't know what type it is. Is it orange? No, it's not orange. Strawberry. Kiwi. Kiwi might get lost in there. Strawberry. I was thinking of something. Oh, strawberry. Apple. Let me see if it's a... All right. Banana looks good. Banana might be blending it. Yeah, it can't be a band, but it's really thin though, so it's perfect. Okay. So now you can place them around and get them some crystal along with that. And I am using a really cool from the mix size. Separate. It's kind of cool though, because if it doesn't blend really easy, but it's so nice that your condensed glue gel's got you. You can do continue whole nails if you want to. Like, I don't even need to do, like, what is that we have? Diamond Dust Pixie, Live Rats, you could do Diamond Dust Pixie. I can keep going on and on and on and on about this. You like this one? Yeah. Okay, thank you, finally. Isabella. Up. So my kiwis come off. And it's really stunning though. You can cut it, or some of them are already like cut in half. This one is like probably cut in half. Half of my kiwi slides right there. I'm gonna close it. Like this is for cool advice for beginners. If you are beginners and not sure that's the best way to place your crystals, just as long as you keep your crystal placements tight together, the closer you get it, the better it's gonna be. So I'm gonna keep them really nice and close together. Great. So you like this one better, Isabella? I'm like, okay. So great. So I'm gonna sprinkle the Diamond Dust Pixie on it. I'm gonna move the tray away a little bit because it take away from all that Diamond Dust Pixie. So I'm gonna open both of this. I'll sprinkle the lighter Diamond Dust Pixie. So it really depends on what you like to do. You can do whole nails with this, or you can do this one with the so I do have of this right on this side, and the rest of them I'm gonna do it with the Duggar. I think this one is called I'm so bad with to remember the name of it. Okay, I'm gonna move that one away and dust this off. And I have the neck tray. That looks even cute like that.
I like it.
You like it? Isabella like it. Alright. That's so cute, huh? It's like really summery though. I don't know. It's maybe my favorite one. Alright. So next one we're gonna do on the other side. Great. Tap it down. Make sure that you do it both on the side. Tap it down so then it won't not kind of hanging off on the edges. And tap. Just a little bit on this side. Good. I'm gonna move it away. You like it? Like if you want a lighter, then don't put the other. I just want to show you two ways then like have an ombre look for this. Also, this one, just a little bit of on this one. Right there. I'm gonna give just a little bit the lighter colors. So whatever you see is you missing, don't hesitate to bring it the Diamond Dust Pixie back on because it's not clear yet. So then your glue gels can still able to pick up all that Diamond Dust Pixie. Great, so I am going to key it for 60 seconds now. I do like that. That's the nails for you, Libras. You asking for it. Great. Fruit and Diamond Dust Pixie. Here you go, my dear. Great. Key it for 60 seconds. And then we're using precision glue and we're good to go. Hope you're really enjoying it tonight because we have a blast, right? Really good time learning together, and then good laugh, we'll talk, we're definitely gonna continue tomorrow. Let's talk about tomorrow. What we want to hear, like what did personality? What is that? 4 course of personality. What you want to hear tomorrow? I spilled this stuff, so I'm gonna switch it. Oh. Live grass, green. Is your color? Brook is not that bad if you have a clients. Like if I do my clients, it's not that bad. If I do the clients, usually clients that's holding on the tray and like this, I'm hold it tight, and when I sprinkle it on, it's just holding your bottle closer. Don't doing too high. So when it's too high, it bouncing on the tray. So if you hold it closer to client's nails, it's usually not gonna bounce it anywhere. Really minimums of it. So. Yep, it's Janae. It's absolutely, it do really good without the top, unless you put, I don't know if even the acetone gonna melt it at all. Absolutely. Okay, so I'm gonna check it first, but before that, I'm gonna seal completely all the edges of the Diamond Dust Pixie from the cuticles. Make sure they're all gonna be cap with my precision glue double secured. And I'm gonna check any gaps, edges, cracks. I'm gonna fill that with my precision glue. And then now I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. I do like that a lot though. So you have some of your whimsical females that at home. This is gonna be so fun to play with. Tomorrow we're gonna do another content. I'm excited. We did like really good today. 4 nails. Good learning and good talk and then good chat tonight. And really appreciate and thank you everyone for. Sorry, somehow my phone is just like freezing for a minute. It's good now. It's get back now. Hey, Cake and Sweet. You can actually Cake and Sweet. Thank you, Delicious. Cake and Sweet, you can get the products from a Glitz accessory and such. Let me type it in for you. This is really cool look. Live Ash, do you like it? Everyone, Foxy, Fancy Fingers, Jennifer. Are you ladies there?